while I get across another view, these are of course a few posters that have been prepared by students from Hyderabad. They of course came here on short notice to raise their opinion as well, and this is what they have to say, that it is a black day for the parliament. Krishank is with me, someone who's been the face of the student movement in Hyderabad. The issue that you took forward, this forward, seems to have become a reason why the parliament has hit certain low. Is that something that you have thought about as well? That about time we have an open debate and not such acts in the parliament?
Absolutely. This has been a people's movement from past 60 years. 2009, once again the students have led, but it was never a political movement. Today, all the politicians together have not only put the state on a shame, but also the constitution, which we see very divine, the supreme constitution which speaks about supremacy, which speaks about sovereignty. Today the entire constitution and also the august house of parliament has put to shame by the politicians. They have made it a murky political agenda, and today all the people are feeling ashamed, not as taking a side of Telangana, but as Indians, we feel ashamed of the political act what they have done.
And also important to mention, Krishank, that some of the
what has happened in the assembly. Here, the chief minister and the speaker together have won the bill, and they have rejected when actually there was no opinion asked for. And the same murky politics has shifted center towards Delhi also. Delhi was spiritual. Delhi was known as epitome, as emblem for Indian and Indian constitution. But today, the august house of parliament, which we call, has been put to shame because of some parliamentarians. We have seen how ruckus has been created in AP Bhavan, where Chief Minister has pushed out his own cabinet ministers like Geeta Reddy, Smita Lakshmareddy.
But then the Telangana protest too turned to be ugly, and it wasn't a demonstration that we did want for. So it seems that ugly demonstrations is the way to make your point. That's a very unfortunate way.
Not exactly. If we see Telangana protests, of course, mob psychology, there were people who came out and protested. But we have never put India and Indian constitution on shame. But a debate, if we see parliament, it is a procedure where debate has to be open. If they are having any hindrances, absolutely, we are not fearing at all. We have many reasons. We can give 1 lakh reasons why we want Telangana. Let them come up, face up a debate, and then we will see how Telangana will be.